Creating a YouTube channel and earning money from it involves several steps and considerations. Here's a guide on how to create a YouTube channel and optimize your settings for monetization, as of 2023. Step 1. Sign up for a Google account. To create a YouTube channel, you'll need a Google account. If you already have one, skip to the next step. Otherwise, go to the Google account creation page and follow the instructions to set up your account. Step 2. Create a YouTube channel. Once you have a Google account, go to YouTube and sign in using your account credentials. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select Create a Channel from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to create your YouTube channel. Step 3. Customize your channel. After creating your channel, it's essential to customize it to make it visually appealing and reflective of your content. Upload a profile picture and create channel art, banner, that represents your brand or content niche. You can also add a channel trailer to introduce yourself to new viewers. Step 4. Enable monetization. To monetize your YouTube channel, you need to meet the YouTube Partner Program (YPP) requirements. These requirements include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, adhering to YouTube's policies and guidelines, and having a linked AdSense account. Once you meet the requirements, go to YouTube Studio and click on Monetization in the left-hand menu. Follow the instructions to set up monetization, including accepting the terms and linking your AdSense account. Step 5. Set ad preferences in YouTube Studio. Navigate to the Monetization section and click on Ads in the left-hand menu. Here, you can customize your ad preferences by choosing the types of ads you want to display on your videos and adjusting the ad placement settings. Step 6. Utilize YouTube's features. YouTube offers several features to help you engage with your audience and increase your chances of earning money. These features include end screens and cards. Use end screens and cards to promote your other videos, playlists, or external websites to drive traffic and increase engagement. Playlists. Organize your videos into playlists to make it easier for viewers to discover and watch more of your content. Community tab. Interact with your subscribers through the Community tab, where you can share polls, updates, and engage in discussions. Super Chat and channel memberships. Once eligible, you can enable Super Chat, which allows viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during live chat. You can also offer channel memberships to provide exclusive perks to your subscribers for a monthly fee. Step 7. Create and upload quality content. Consistently creating high-quality content is crucial for growing your channel and attracting a larger audience. Plan your videos, script or outline them, and pay attention to production quality, including audio and video. Be authentic, engaging, and responsive to your viewers' feedback and comments. Step 8. Promote your channel. Promoting your YouTube channel can help attract more viewers and subscribers. Utilize social media platforms, your website or blog, and other online communities to share your videos and engage with potential viewers. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can also help expand your reach. Step 9. Track analytics and optimize. Regularly review YouTube analytics to gain insights into your channel's performance. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and viewer demographics. Use this data to identify trends, understand what works best for your audience, and optimize your content and strategies accordingly. Remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Consistency, quality content, and audience.